Talofa lava everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is term 1 for everybody Koko. So my parents are new here. This is day 1 for them. They normally go out to the events that Mana invites them out to. This is one of the groups that they have under 360, so tour with. And it's a group for oldies. We're happy to see faces that they knew. They have like a Zumba session in the morning and then they do lunch. And then they just play cards and dominoes, even like Talanoa, and also hang out. It was nice to see my parents make new friends and hanging out with people their age group and not have to hang out with me. It's nice to do something outside of home. I do apologize to the ladies and the men in this maftanga because my mom's laugh is really loud. Like this. My dad's doing the shy ones, but you know, he's best so as he loves going out to kafao. Come and enjoy some Zumba and have a great day. Thank you.